Ircon, a Government of India undertaking. It offers a wide gamut of engineering and construction solutions. It holds the distinction of being the only Indian construction PSU to have featured in Engineering News Record USA's top 250 international contractors list for the last 3 consecutive years. Though the railways continue to be its forte, Ircon has diversified over the years.
Ircon was set up by Government of India in 1976 under Ministry of Railways for giving its technical know-how in the railway field to the third world countries and helping them in creating their railway infrastructure. During its journey in 1990s, Ircon started diversifying in other infrastructure sector such as highways and expressways, tunneling, bridges, power stations, transmission and distributions, industrial, commercial and residential buildings, townships, airport runways, hangars, mass rapid transit systems, and signaling and telecommunications.
Ircon has consolidated its position on the global map. Ircon holds the distinction of successfully executing 250 km per hour Samawar high-speed railway line project in Iraq. Its $1 billion mega railway project in Malaysia is the largest ever transportation project completed by an Indian company abroad. In keeping with Ircon's efforts of promoting India's bilateral relations with its neighbors, the company has undertaken strategic projects in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar. A relentless contributor in India's growth story, Ircon endeavors to turn government initiatives into new business opportunities. At the peak of militancy in J&K, Ircon in 2011 constructed the longest railway transportation tunnel of 11 kilometers through the Pir Panjal range. It brought the Kashmir Valley on the map of Indian Railways by undertaking the construction of new BG rail link from Kazikund to Baramulla. With its prestigious 340-kilometer Jammu and Kashmir rail link project, Ircon executed the biggest broad-gauge railway line construction ever undertaken in the high mountainous region in India. It has established 2 out of the 3 rail coach factories of the Indian Railways. In 2016, with rail-cum-road bridge on River Ganga, Ircon successfully completed one of the largest double-decker steel bridges in Patna. Thriving in highly competitive environments and challenging terrains, Ircon has successfully executed more than 390 landmark projects in India and 128 projects in more than 24 foreign countries. It is currently executing projects in Algeria, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal and Myanmar. Front runner in securing ISO 9001-2000 certification, the company is also the only construction PSU to own its own NTC machine. The year 1998 saw Ircon emerge as the sole construction PSU to be awarded Mini Ratna status, Category 1 by the Government of India. Recently, in February 2021, with the Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway, the company created a 24-hour record of pavement quality concrete. The work, covering an area of 24,970 square meters, was started at 8 a.m. on 1st February 2021 and got completed by 8 a.m. the next morning. Fueling Ircon's growth has been its pool of 1,300 plus talented, qualified and experienced manpower.
The company is nurturing empowering work culture, focuses on holistic well-being of Ircon employees. The positive professional environment helps the employees to draw the best out of themselves as they set out to achieve timely delivery of complex projects, while adhering to the high quality standards laid down by Ircon.
Ircon exhibited adaptability in its response to the new normal brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic.
To ensure the safety of those required on the field, we put in place thermal screening, sanitization of premises and vehicles, and social distancing measures. Apart from mandating the use of mask at all times at work, Ircon issued the standard operating procedure to be followed in its all offices and work sites. Ircon also conducted various health classes with the help of its doctors and medical experts.
Ircon's unflinching commitment to its CSR responsibilities is evident in its environmentally sustainable practices and its proven record of voluntarily coming forward at the time of national need. Ircon has been presented with several awards and accolades. The long list of awards reiterates Ircon's stellar success story, in which many more glorious chapters will be added as new geographies and new business sectors beckon.